Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. This week we have a request from a community member and her name is Rosa, and she writes very simply, Quinceanera, please help me. Colors are red and gold. The asking price here in Las Vegas was $65. Well, Rosa, not only are we going to help you create this beautiful centerpiece, we're actually going to do it for under $25, $22 to be exactly. I believe that's more than half off the price you were quoted. So I'm so excited to show Rosa and the rest of you how we created this Sweet 16 or Quinceanera Pretty Princess Centerpiece. Okay guys, let's get started. So I always try to show you an option where you don't necessarily have to sew anything. So this is one of those options. We're going to take our doily and simply applique it onto, or decoupage it, however you want to say it, onto our rose vase. Now this vase is 8 inches tall, but I want you to know they have a 7-inch tall version at the Dollar Tree for $1. So that's the one I would suggest, but if you want a taller one, I also have that option in the project supplies in the description right below this video. So we're going to simply apply our doilies with our Mod Podge, and this is a gloss Mod Podge. Now that the bottom of our vase has been covered, we're going to work on the middle or center part of our vase. And for that, I've cut the doilies in half, and I'm going to use the same applique technique and apply them to the center of our vase, all the way around. Moving on to the top of our vase, we're going to continue with those half doilies, applying them with our Mod Podge. Finally, we're going to cut our doilies into triangles, and we're going to fill in all of the empty spots, both in the middle as well as the top of our vase. Guys, this is a little bit of a sticky project, but you can do it. Once the vase is covered as you desired, let it dry overnight and we're ready to continue with the next step. Next, we're going to create our no-sew tulle skirt using this gold confetti glitter tool. I'm simply folding the tulle over about 4 times, adding a dab of hot glue and placing it directly onto the face about 1/4 inch apart from the previous one. You continue this all the way around. So then you're going to step back and take a look at it and see if you like the skirt just with 1 layer or 2. I prefer 2, but remember, we give you the plan, you make it your own. If you prefer 2, you just repeat that step 1 more time all the way around. To create the peplum ruffle, I simply took a doily, cut it in half, and then cut those halves into triangles. And you're going to just apply them with a little bit of hot glue, and the ends will curl up just with a little bit of pressure. Next, we're going to create our beautiful little belt with this velvet metallic trim, and you're going to just attach it with a little bit of hot glue. And finally, for the piece de resistance, we're going to use one of these beautiful little rhinestone buttons and attach it to the center, creating our princess gown look. Here's your last step, and you have options. At this point, you can choose to fill the vase with artificial roses, which I also have included the link for that, and that keeps your price point right at that $22 mark. Or you can choose to fill them with fresh roses. In this case, that's what I have chosen. I filled it with fresh roses and it increased my price about $8 for a total of right at $30 for the centerpiece. So it's really your option. You know what your budget is. Remember, we give you the plan and you make it your own. So I filled this vase with 10 fresh roses. Well, Rosa, what do you think? I think it's going to be absolutely gorgeous at your stepdaughter's quinceanera, or for that matter, at a baby shower, at a sweet 16 party, or at a bridal shower if it has a princess theme. So this centerpiece I love because it is so versatile. If you love it, go ahead and let us know. Like us, write a comment, ask us a question. That is what we are here for. We are here to help you create the DIY project and or wedding of your dreams. If you would also like to follow us on our social media, you can do that on our platforms, which are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And by all means, if you have not already signed up for your EBATES rebate account, what are you waiting for? It's so simple. Click on the link in our description below, sign up for your EBATES account. When you're ready to shop online, sign on to your account, find your vendor, and make your qualified purchases to receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. You can't beat it. Don't miss out on it. As a matter of fact, be sure also to check out our MissPlanItShop.com for your digital download help on all of your DIY projects as well as your events you're planning. They're awesome products. We have helped so many people, so don't miss out. Check it out. We love hanging out with you guys every week. Don't forget the links to the supplies as well as the project cost are in the description right below this video for your use. In addition to that, we would love it if you subscribe so you can be notified every week when our videos are posted. And if you would like an extra special notification, click on that little bell in the corner and you will get a notification for us the moment our videos are posted every single week. Don't forget to check out our newly launched MissPlanIt home channel on our website, MissPlanIt.com. Click on that icon, it'll take you right there. Click on the home tab once you get there, and all the videos are there for your use. You can hang out with me as I create DIY projects for things around my house, as well as projects for my friends and relatives. It's an absolute blast. Love for you to hang out with me. Love for you to tell me what you think about it. So head on over to our new channel, MissPlanIt Home, right at our website. We had such a blast hanging out with you. We are so appreciative of you spending time with us because we know you have so many options on YouTube. So thank you, thank you, thank you for that. Well guys, until next week, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care, see you soon, God bless.